Okay, today we are going to work with high performance garden characteristic number 7. The garden is well planned. So we need to plan when we are going to plant. So if your timing is off, you're going to get some poor results from your garden. So the first thing we need to know is what is our zone. And the second thing we need to know is our last average frost date. And we need to know which of our plants are cool weather plants and which of our plants are warm weather plants. So the cool weather plants, they can take a frost, and the warm weather plants will not take a frost at all. They will just die. So if you don't know your planting zone, go to the Living Farm website and read the article there. It's at thelivingfarm.org/project/planting-zone. Another great article on thelivingfarm.org is how to plan your garden according to your region. And between these two articles, you can get your zone, your frost dates, and learn which plants are cool weather plants and which plants are warm weather plants. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute a day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.